I was walking my dog in the neighborhood when a neighbor's dog attacked my dog, and then I tried to pull that dog off, and after I did, the dog had then pulled me over onto my fingers and I had broken them. I had to go to the emergency room. I was put in a splint for that day, and then I had to go have surgery. It was about 2 weeks after the incident. I had gone over to visit the neighbors and asked them if they were going to pay the vet bill and also my medical bills, and they had stated at that time that they didn't believe they were responsible. So then I started thinking, well, I need to obtain an attorney. We called up on a Friday and we were told that the lawyers would discuss it and then we would receive a call back, and I got a call back on the following Monday and had an appointment that week with Adam.
Hey Sue, great to see you.
He was very pleasant about it, explained some of the procedures. He thought that we did have a case that we could obtain to get the money back from my surgery. Adam made me feel really comfortable throughout the whole process. They were always in touch with me, so it was very reassuring. I was in a splint for probably about 4 months, and then there's physical therapy and occupational therapy. And if you go through your insurance, you have to pay the co-pays, and sometimes because it's an injury, they don't pay for them. The hospital bill, the emergency room, the doctors, the x-ray technicians, there's so much involved in that. Health insurance and what they don't cover and what they're willing to cover. There's a lot of things that you pay out of pocket as you go along. And you may not think the injury is going to be lifelong, but it usually ends up being that way. Also, as well, on a level as personal and feelings and emotions, that takes a very big toll as well if you have to take it on yourself. It was settled. They were able to get my bills resolved and also to get me some money replaced for the work time that I had lost. Adam was the only lawyer that took care of my case. I didn't have anyone else. It was strictly him from start to finish. It didn't feel like it was a lawyer's office. It just felt like someone chatting with me. Adam would text me, we'd email, we'd talk by phone. Through the process, I very much knew that I was at least going to get my bills paid for while I was out of work, which was great. I would highly recommend that you seek the Resmini law firm. They will discuss it with you, and they will let you know what they think and about how long the process is. It's not something that you can just do in a month or so. It is a process, and it takes a while. I'd like to thank Adam Resmini for everything. I'm sure there's more office staff that was involved in it. As a nurse and a person seeing so many things out in the world, that you have to think about your health first. The way that society is nowadays, and nobody wants to claim responsibility for anything. We all have deductibles, we all have losses. You don't have to pay the lawyer for the initial consult. It's a free consult, and all the way up until the process if they don't win in your favor. So I think it's just reasonable to be able to ask someone.
Thank you so much.